Welcome to Foraging and Cooking with Kids. If you go foraging for wild food, be 100% sure that you pick the right kind. Use books and apps to make no mistakes. And kids, never eat anything out of the wild without asking your parents.
As a side note, allergies and sensitivities is also common in wild food. Not often, but it can happen. Be aware. Thank you.
Dandelions, a plant, a wildflower, what we love. For the most people, they see only an annoying weed in this amazing plant, but we see way more as an annoying, fast-growing and fast-spreading plant.
Well, we know our dandelions. Dandelions are very easy to identify by the yellow flowers that grow from the bottom of the stem, and the stem is hollow. The leaves are oddly shaped with highly jagged edges, what look like teeth, what resembles a lion tooth, where the plant got his name from.
There it is.
Be sure you only pick the plants where no pesticides got sprayed. Why we love this plant so much? It is one of the first signs of spring. It is one of the most vitamin-filled plants to give our wildlife the power back after a long winter. It is food also for us. The plant is edible for the root all the way to the flower, especially in the springtime. They grow so fresh that the leaves have almost no bitterness, and you can really enjoy them as green in a salad. It is also a medication plant. It is used for control blood sugar, boost your immune system, balance cholesterol, remove toxin from your body, may help fighting inflammation, and many more healthy benefits. The sap of the fresh-cut dandelion, called by many dandelion milk, can be applied directly on a wound or acne. It helps to fight bacteria. Some people are allergic to dandelions, so please be aware of it. I never met somebody yet, but always be careful. With a wet paper towel, fresh, and now we clean them. Now we separate the root and the greens. Greens, middle parts, and roots. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar in our water and we start boiling them. When it starts boiling, we're adding our roots. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Finn whisks 1 egg, and then we start breading them. First in the egg and then in some breadcrumbs. refry them a little bit. It goes very quick. And then we have a half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, what we mix together and swing our roots in around. And there we have it, a super healthy snack for the kids. And some dandelions for our ducks.
The kids enjoyed their roots, and I enjoyed the now cold dandelion root tea, which has already sugar in. Very delicious and perfect for a nice spring day here in Wyoming. And of course, I used the dandelion leaves and made myself a nice salad. Well, I hope we see you next time with foraging and cooking with kids. Please stay healthy and happy, and we see you next time. Bye!